Hello and howdy friends, all of you most welcome in your loving one person family with my consoling heart, Kurt's energies. Come on guys with me. No need to sad. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of broken heart. I'm your soul traveler, Kurt's energies. Okay friends, please listen to me carefully as today I'm going to tell you about few beautiful, memorable, learnable quotes. Sure they will help you to revive. To now let's go. The comeback is always stronger than setback. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. Every storm runs out of rain. You must be willing to let go of the life you planned so as to have the life that is waiting for you. The only way out is through. Out of difficulties grow miracles. Strength grows in the moments when you think you can't go on, but you keep going anyway. Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. Stars can't shine without darkness. Your present circumstances don't determine where you can go, they merely determine where you start. Tough times never last, but tough people do. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can be still come out of it. When one door closes, another opens, but we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. Sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly on the path to the best things that will ever happen to us. The best revenge is massive success. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Never let your fear decide your fate. Courage does not always roar sometimes. Courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. The only limits that exist are ones you place on yourself. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunities. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Adversity causes some men to break, others to break records. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. When everything seems to going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. You were given this life because you are stronger enough to live it. Every exit is an entry somewhere else. And last, I will suggest you that one most important thing, pain is temporary. It may last a minute, an hour, or a day, or a year, but eventually it will be subside and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it lasts forever. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck, good synergies.
Ride with you, and if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go.